Hello everyone, Techno Tan here. Today, I ran out of sesame oil. I wanted to buy it, but the price is expensive. When I saw the video on YouTube, there were lots of tutorials on how to make sesame oil. I was very curious to try because with only 2 cheap ingredients, you can make sesame oil, while the selling price is expensive. Can the quality be the same? Curious, me too. That's why I will try it. Come on, try. The ingredients needed are half a liter of cooking oil. You can use any oil. And this is sesame seed. We will use only 100 grams. First of all, we roast the sesame seed until it is browned. This is taking a long time, maybe about a quarter to half an hour. But you have to keep stirring it so it doesn't burn. Because the sesame seed burns easily, it can be bitter. I speed up the video, guys, so you don't get bored watching me roasting. We keep stirring. It's starting to brown. Not this brown, but more brown than this. Until it's become this brown. We remove the sesame seed and put it in a white plate like this, so that it cools easily. We wait until it cooler for the plate of juicer can live longer.
A few moments later.
When it's cool like this, we will start blend the sesame seeds. Blend until smooth. Shake until several times. Prepare half a liter of cooking oil. We put the cooking oil into the wok. Don't light up the flame yet, so the oil must be cold. We put in all the sesame seed. Then we turn on the stove. We stir again, guys, so it doesn't burn. Guys, don't forget to click subscribe, like and share with everyone so that our channel can be grow and be useful for many people. This is my first time making sesame oil. I've been wanting to make it for a long time, but I didn't have the chance. And now I have the opportunity, and I make a vlog as well. So we can try together. Okay guys, this is the result, and we wait until 24 hours to 48 hours. On this day, I also had the opportunity to try the sweet martabak recipe, which in my area is called terang bulan. It is popular food too. I tried this and it worked. Later, I will definitely make the video guys for all of you, so that you can also taste how delicious this sweet martabak is. That full of calories guys, but it is very tasty. Just don't eat it often, so you doesn't getting fat.
Several days later.
Wow, so fragrant. Look like the original, but we don't know the result until we try to make a dish. This is the result guys. We don't know about the quality of the sesame oil until we make a dish that using this oil, and I'll make up Thai rice later for trying the sesame oil. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, click like and share to everyone, so this channel can be useful for many people. Thank you for watching. See ya. Waduh, belum ditumis.